Hello everyone, so if you want to close all the recent apps on your Redmi Pad SE quickly and efficiently, first of all, we are to open up all the recent apps. So take your Redmi Pad SE and swipe up from the bottom of your screen if you're using a gesture navigations, or if you're using buttons navigation, you're to tap your recent apps button. So now let's swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold on your finger, and here you will see the list of your all applications which are currently running in the background. So look at the top right corner, locate your clear all button and simply tap on it. And that's it. After tapping clear all apps will be closed and the multitasking view will be empty. Let's try to open up again and it's empty. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day.